Summer holidays have begun. You have 1 month free on your hands. Here's how to turn this month into a complete hell zone and get the most work done in this period. Today, I'll teach you how to make your best glow up in the summer holidays. Not just physically, but mentally too. This video is for school-going students, but if you have a month free on your hands, you can still join this challenge. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step action plan to completely transform yourself, so that you just have to do the work and follow it. I will also be sharing at the end my personal goals which I have to achieve by the end of the month. First of all, let's create an ideal version of you. Yes, we need to visualize here. That version, who is well-spoken, physically attractive, academically strong and physically strong. That version who reigns supreme in intellect and power. Visualize him clearly. Now, take out a notebook and pen and note down every single difference between the current you and him. Next, write down every single thing you will be doing to bring these changes in yourself to become him. Let's write the headings down one by one. First, write down at the top of the page, skills to learn in summer holidays, and write the year next to it. On the next line, write down the first sub-heading, physical. This marks all the physical changes you have to bring in your body. It could be learning to do proper push-ups, learning to do a backflip, or even getting a shredded physique. A good physique will take you far in life. Remember that. Write any 5, not more than that. Minimum should be 2, because you can only focus on so many things in a month. Next up comes the subheading online. Here you must note down any 1 to 2 online skills you want to learn. This is the most important part of your plan. Now, let me explain why this is important. We live in a world right now, where the only thing guaranteed to sell is skills. So, if you can master any one skill and be the best at it, you'll get ahead of 99% people still stuck to their academics. You must find a high-value skill, which means it must have demand at least twice the amount of produce. And also, it must be easy to learn and quick to apply. You probably won't find a skill with all these boxes ticked easily, so go for one with most of them checked out. This will help you a lot in the future, and your older self will thank you for it. It will help you in case you don't find a job later, and some online skills pay really well. You'll get a unique talent too. Take any 5 online skills you can learn for free or at low cost, and select any one of them. Next is work to do in summer holidays. This includes your professional work and any other project you would like to work on. It could be creating content, handling someone's account for money, or even creating your own game. The possibilities are endless. Remember to stick to only one such project and spend quality time on it. Also write down everything else you need to work on to become your best self. Finally, write down something you know is good for you, but you hate to do it. It could be approaching a random stranger on the road, growing out your muscles, or even nofap. Then, do it once every single day. At the end of the month, you'll be surprised at how much you've changed. And when people say, "Oh, you've changed so much," you know who to thank. Stand proud, you're strong.